sold her some fucked up bundles, man. She said she wanted Remy and you gave her Malaysia. What the fuck is you doing, bro? Admit it, man. It's admitted, man. You hustled her, man. You fucking made her feel used and hustled her for money. It's cool, man. Damn, Geechi. Fast as shit, Geechi Gotti. I'm out here with my shirt on. I don't give a fuck, nigga. I'm in fucking Vegas. I'm smoking good weed, nigga. About to hit my good peoples up. urltv for allowing me to live my best life, allowing me to show off my talent, and just be great, man. You know what I mean? URL, man. I appreciate it, man. 100.